What is acid rain? Acid rain is a type of precipitation that has a pH level of less than 5.6. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide (SO2) and nitrogen oxides (NOx) from human activities such as burning fossil fuels, coal, oil, and natural gas. These emissions react with the atmosphere to form sulfuric acid (H2SO4) and nitric acid (HNO3), which are carried by wind and precipitation to the ground. Acid rain can cause a range of environmental problems, including soil and water pollution, damage to crops and forests, and negative impacts on wildlife, fish, and other aquatic life. Acid rain also contributes to the corrosion of buildings and other structures, including historic monuments and works of art. List out the methods of controlling particulate emissions. An electrostatic precipitator removes particles using electrical energy to charge particles either positively or negatively. A fabric filter, sometimes referred to as a baghouse, utilizes fabric filtration to remove particles by depositing the particles on fabric material. In gravity method, the particulates settle down by the action of gravitational force and get removed. List out the hazards in dock works. Mentioned causes of accident as well. Electrocution, slip and trip, fire, fall from height, noise, fatigue. Loading dock hazards include slips caused by wet or oily floors, falls from dock edges, falls caused by unsecured dock plate, head and eye injuries from falling objects, hearing damage from a loud noise level, injuries from careless operation of material handling equipment. Explain Monday fever. Occupational hypersensitivity reaction with symptoms occurring or recurring at the beginning of the work week and diminishing as the week progresses and tolerance develops, most common when afflicted person exposed to cotton, dust, hemp, and flax. This feeling can result from the return to work-related responsibilities, tasks, and deadlines, as well as a shift in daily routines. It's a common phenomenon that affects many people, and can range from mild feelings of discontent to more intense feelings of stress and anxiety. However, it's important to remember that it is a normal reaction and many people experience it at some point in their lives. Explain different stages in liquid waste treatment process. Screening, primary treatment, secondary treatment, final treatment. What is work permit? How work permit helps to prevent accidents? Work permit is a document or written permit that is used to control certain types of work that could potentially endanger workers. A work permit is required to identify the work to be performed, the potential hazards associated with the work to be performed, and any preventive or control measures. In the context of workplace safety, a work permit can help prevent accidents by establishing clear procedures and guidelines for the safe performance of a task or operation. Work permit system spells out the task involved, its location, personnel involved, time limitations, precautionary measures to be taken together with likely hazards to be encountered. It helps in hazardous operations safe and easy to perform. Write short notes on sources and causes of air pollution. Mobile source, cars, buses, planes, trucks, trains. Stationary sources, power plants. Oil refineries. Area sources, agricultural areas. Wood burning fireplaces. Point source, boiler stack. Smokestacks. What are the type of work permit? Working at height. Hot work permit. Cold work permit. Electrical permit. Confined permit. Excavation permit. Safe work permit. Special hazard work permit. Chemical work permit.